Hey guys, what's up? James T here, coming to you live from New Jersey, where there's about to be a ridiculously long snowstorm. Yeah, so this is probably gonna be one of my last videos until after the snow. But anyways, went to Walmart today to get some supplies. I call them supplies. And I had a $20 gift card to spend. I'm like, should I spend on Disney thing? But then again, I was missing out on amiibos, and so there you go, Magic Shrek. Look at the magic. Look, it's Ganondorf. How many of you are excited? It's one amiibo closer. How many of you are excited? I know, it's Ganondorf. Look at Ganondorf. Look at his evil, nasty face. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let's just open this thing nice, calmly, and gently. Okay. Okay. Save that. And, whoa. Okay. That was kind of like crazy there a little bit. And yeah. Look at it. I know, it's so cool. Sorry, let me turn this light up just a little bit. Yeah, just so you can get the details. And oh my god, that is looking cool. Yeah. Okay. So let's just throw all this in the recycling. And yeah, I get it. Stop sending me notifications, YouTube. Oh my gosh. Yeah, TLC just uploaded this. Smosh just uploaded this. Yeah, stop sending me notifications while I'm trying to do a video. So this is Ganondorf. I can't wait to use him in 3DS because I had the perform on. God, that cape looks badass and everything. So yeah. Yeah, but Ganondorf, I mean, like, he's so cool. I mean, like, I like the design, like, especially, like, his facial features. I like how they had that. Like, it's just cool and everything. So yeah, yes, that's basically it. It's Ganondorf. I mean, who doesn't love Ganondorf? Well, most people, but you know, like, he's cool looking and everything. And I'm saving this, so that's that. Okay, I'm preparing for the big snowstorm. It's gonna happen tonight. Hope you guys in New Jersey and anywhere else there might be snow, stay warm. Bundle up. It's gonna be cold. Probably not gonna leave the house for the entire weekend. Okay, yeah, I'm kinda cold right now. As you guys can see, actually my heater's shut off. So I'm kinda cold. Okay. I'll see you later. Okay. This is James T, and I say peace.